Alright, I'm back at it, trying to give this 18 by 24 kind of a mountainy look. Going for this, but on a bigger scale. And the green tape is frog tape, because I'm going to probably paint an accent color at the bottom, either black or gold or something, depends on how much color comes out in the mountains. Again, just going for an abstract mountain. I've got these mixed. They look pretty similar, but I started off with darker colors in a gradient on the bottom with white, and then going to the darker colors. And so let's see what happens. Gotta save that for later, filling in some spots. Now I'll go on to the middle colors. Very similar colors, but in different layerings. The peachy color is metallic bronze, so when it dries it's going to have a metallic sheen to it. And the reason I'm running these up kind of back and forth is I'm looking for that layered mountain look. And as I get to the bottom of the cup, that's where some of the black stripiness will come through. And I want those black lines to produce, you know, like a hint of a mountain look. Okay, cut number 2 done. Let's see what we get out of the third one here. This one is the darkest cup, and it's the one that I think should produce the most mountain range looks. Just want to get that layered mountain look with some of the blue colors that we need for the cabin. Now the big goal is to fill in the white gaps, but not stretch the paint around too much, because we want actual mountains. We don't want a bunch of up and down zigzags by trying to move the paint. So the trick now is not to play with it too much. Just kind of let it settle, and I'll fill it in with some of these leftovers from the other 2 cups, and start moving it around just a little bit at a time, which is the really hard part. Patience has never been my forte, so it's another reason that this is a good lesson for me, just to slow down sometimes and try to be patient. Alright, so once it's done, I'll show you what happened to it, and if it's usable, and if not, heck, we'll just paint over it. Talk to y'all later. Bye.